USB-C has taken over. It's on laptops, tablets, video bars, cameras, you name it. But here's the catch. A USB-C connector is just that, a connector. What actually runs through it can vary a lot. That's why sometimes your setup just works, and other times, nothing seems to connect the way you expect. The challenge is, not all USB-C cables or ports are the same. Some carry just USB data, others can handle video, audio, power, or all of the above. And to make things more complicated, the host, like your laptop, and the connected device, like a video bar, may each support different protocols. So, here's the easiest way to understand USB-C. The connector looks the same on every cable, but what runs through it depends on the version and features it supports. USB cables support varying speeds that accommodate basic devices, like keyboards, all the way up to full high-quality video. If the cable and devices support DisplayPort Alt Mode or DP Alt Mode, then that same USB-C connection can carry video and audio just like an HDMI cable. And if it supports power delivery or PD, one cable can do it all. Charge your laptop while carrying video, audio, and data at the same time. That's the holy grail for meeting rooms and simple BYOM setups. Extending these signals to a conference room table reliably is also critical, as you'd expect. SCT has developed a full line of USB-C extenders and interfaces designed for the modern conference room. Our website has details on our expanding product line. So, when someone says USB-C, what they really mean depends on the protocol behind it. The connector might look identical, but its capabilities can range from charging a phone to running an entire AV system. At SCT, we're here to help you make sense of USB, and in upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into design, troubleshooting, and real-world solutions.